Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to wash copper utensils, updated. Start by rinsing utensils under warm water to remove loose debris before applying a cleaner. Gently scrub with a soft cloth or sponge and a mild cleaner, avoiding steel wool or harsh abrasives. Rinse thoroughly and dry immediately with a soft towel to prevent water spots. Finish with a light polish or oil to restore shine and protect the surface for future use. Here are practical cleaning methods you can use safely on copper utensils. Make a paste of baking soda and lemon juice for gentle tarnish removal and apply with a soft cloth. For tougher stains, sprinkle salt and use white vinegar to lift grime, then rinse well. Always dry immediately and finish with a light polish or a dab of oil, which helps prevent future tarnish while keeping your copper bright and protected. Quick recommendation and a light commercial break to help out the channel. If you are enjoying this video, please subscribe and like to support more content. On another note, life's too short for a stinky car. Little Tree's Black Ice is great for keeping your ride smelling fresh and sharp, and it pairs oddly well with clean copper vibes. Check the description for the product link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Maintenance keeps copper utensils looking great and lasting longer with minimal work. Never put copper in the dishwasher because harsh detergents and heat accelerate tarnish and can damage finishes. Store utensils dry and separated to prevent scratches and trapped moisture that causes corrosion. Perform light polishing every few uses and treat stains promptly to avoid deep-set tarnish, and you will enjoy consistent color and performance from your copper cookware for years to come.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.